Traffic sign recognition feature assists the driver by displaying speed limit signs in the instrument cluster. Navigate to settings using menu button. Select settings. Select driver assistance. Select traffic sign recognition. Select traffic sign recognition again to turn off TSR. Caution. Notice. If no new speed limit sign detected for some time, the icon changes to no recognition. When the system recognizes a speed limit sign, it displays on the instrument cluster. After a predefined time, road sign display will gray out to indicate the driver that the sign is of past value. If end of speed limit sign is detected, the icon in the cluster gets updated to end of speed limit sign. When the system recognizes an overtaking not allowed sign, it is displayed on instrument cluster. Traffic sign recognition unavailable pop-up message will appear in instrument cluster if system malfunctions. It is recommended to visit an authorized Mahindra dealer. Notice. The traffic sign recognition is subject to certain system limitations and may be unavailable or only partially available in the following situations.